guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures, and I am Pragati, and I have been on a shopping spree. I have been buying a lot of things. Actually, I bought a lot of things in the previous month because of the whole sale thing, and some of the things during the Black Friday sale in November, and some of the things during Christmas sale. But because it takes a little time for them to reach, so they reached to me by the end of December or early January. So I have a lot of things. So a lot of haul videos are coming up your way, and I think you guessed it right. Today again it is a haul video, and today's haul is from Beauty Bay. So I ordered all these things on 19th of December, and I received all of these around 29th of December from Beauty Bay. They ship everything from UK. So the best time to shop from Beauty Bay is during the Black Friday sale or during the Christmas sale, and I shop during the Christmas sale. And every year I shop a lot of things from Beauty Bay around the Christmas sale, and all my Makeup Revolution palettes are from Beauty Bay. I love their website. They have quite a lot of offers. You can get the same Makeup Revolution eye palette which you get here for like 900 or 1100. You can get it for 400, 450, and quality is perfectly same, and you get it in proper shape. When you order things from online, you do sometimes have to pay shipping. I have never paid shipping before, but this year I had to pay shipping. I had to pay a shipping of 900, which is also okay for me because the products that I ordered, if I buy from Indian websites like Hook Makeup or Nykaa, then one product itself will be costing me more, than that 900 which I've spent. So this was a deal. I wouldn't say it's not a deal or something, but yes, I've never paid a shipping before. This is for the first time that I've paid shipping for Beauty Bay, and usually you will receive the products within 10 to 20 days. That is the max, which happened last year, where I ordered around same 19-20 of December, but I received these products only in January. But usually you will get these products by early January or end of December if you order during the Christmas sale. And what I bought, I know you guys want to know what I bought, so I'm going to show you what all I bought. I will not be trying those and showing you. I'm just going to show you the swatches, but so that you guys know, I have applied each and every product to check the quality, if the quality is proper. I already have a lot of Makeup Revolution products, so I could compare with that. I do have some of the other products also from some brands, so I compared those, and I realized the products are original and the quality is good and the price is amazing. Like, it's amazing. So I'm not going to talk more. I am just going to get inside the video and show it to you guys what all I've got. So I'm going to start with the Makeup Revolution products only. So I have applied this eyeshadow. I've done my eye makeup using this eyeshadow only, which is from Makeup Revolution, and that is, so this is the one. This is the palette that I've used. I got this for around 380. When we converted into INR, I got it for 380, which is a steal. So you guys can see these are the colors. It is a perfect eye palette to create a smoky look, or for a night makeup look. This is a perfect palette, and I have bought a lot of eye palettes of Makeup Revolution from Beauty Bay. They have quite a lot of good offers going on Makeup Revolution, and I think even now they have some offers going on, so you guys can go and check it out if you like Makeup Revolution products. I really like their eyeshadows because they are well pigmented, long lasting, and they have quite a lot of variety, and also they are affordable. Next that I have is this BH Cosmetics Trending Tokyo eye palette. Now, I have not used any of the BH Cosmetics eyeshadows before, but I have heard a lot about these. I have heard like they are very well pigmented, they are long lasting. So of course I had to buy it. They were on an offer, they were on sale. I got this palette for around, I think, 950. So these are the shades. It's really bright and nice. The shades are really bright. They also have some of the glitter shades. So they have a dark pink, and they also have a glitter pink, and they also have a light pink for you to create a cut crease or a transitional eyeshadow. Same way they have a dark purple, they have a glitter purple, then they have a dark blue, they have a glitter blue, they also have a glitter dark blue, and then there is lemon, there is a dark yellow, there is a glitter green. So they do have a variety, same as with the orange as well. So they do have a variety of glitter and light shades, glitter shades, and the bright shades. It is very well pigmented. I'm just going to show you one swipe so you guys get an idea. So you guys can see the pigmentation. The pigmentation is really good, well pigmented. Of course, I already tried, so I can tell you I already tried all of these. I was just too excited to try, so I tried and I loved this one. I have another eyeshadow palette. Okay, I know you guys are judging me already because I have a lot of eyeshadows. I love eye makeup. I just love eye makeup, but this one I didn't have. First, this is from Beauty Bay company itself. They do manufacture their own makeup, and if I show you the shades, you will say that of course you had to buy this because it has all pastel shades. I mean, just look at this palette. Look at this palette. I mean, I didn't have a palette with these pastel shades first of all, and just look at these shades. These are so pretty. I mean, how can you resist? And another thing is that it was really very affordable. This one was for, I think I bought it for 500, and I got these pastel shades, and the pigmentation of this one is really good. Again, I'm going to show you just one shade for you guys to just understand how the pigmentation is. So I'll just take this blue. So you guys can see the pigmentation is really good, and I did try this one also already, and it did last really long. Like, you know, it didn't even get accumulated on the crease. So yeah, I mean, for the price, it's a steal, I'm telling you guys. Then I bought this lipstick set from Makeup Revolution. Now if you buy this in India, this one is available. So if you buy this on Hope or Nykaa or some Indian site, it is easily available. But this one is for, I think, 1100 or something. But I got this one for 400, and it has 5 lipsticks. And the one which I bought is matte reds, and these are the shades that I have received. These are somewhere in between red, orange, and pink. You get a tinge of red, orange, pink. I'm going to do a swatch video of this very soon and upload it for you guys. So once I upload that, I'm also going to link that video in this one. But for you guys, so that you guys have an idea, I'm just going to pick up 2 shades and show you the swatch. So this one is a really beautiful shade which I have tried, and this is the color. It's a beautiful red shade. And the another one which I really liked is a little, on a pinkish tone. So this is that red. It is like a peachish red, and so it has a little pink and peach kind of a tone, and I love it. So these are the lipsticks. I'm going to do a detailed review. I have not applied these for very long. I applied these for a very little time, so I really can't review much on the quality. But yes, I know Makeup Revolution lipsticks I have applied before, and they are long lasting. So I'm going to put a review and swatches of this one very soon. Okay, so the next one that I have is this Ofra Minis. Now this is a pack of 4 mini Ofra liquid matte lipsticks, and this one costed me 1300. And if you go to buy one Ofra lipstick, you will get one for around 1400, the one full size. But I opted for this one only because in this you get a variety of shades to try, and the one which you love, you can later pick it up and order it. So this way you get a variety, and these are very beautiful shades. So ones which I have are these 2 shades are nude. This one is more like a maroonish one, and this is a peachish shade. I am just going to show you these 2 shades because I love these shades. So let me show you these, and now of course I will be posting a swatch and a review of these. So these are very small, these are very tiny, these are like the size of my first finger. You guys can see these are very tiny, but they're not like, you can still apply. These are minis, you understand? So minis are like, they're supposed to be tiny for you to try different shades. So this is the shade. It's a beautiful plum shade. I loved this shade. It looks very, very, very beautiful. So yeah, this is the shade that I loved. And this is the another shade. It's more like a maroonish shade, perfect for a party. It's a party shade. And the best part that I loved about these minis or these lipsticks is that they are not drying. They don't dry your lips, and they feel really amazing on your lips, and they make them look good, and they're long lasting. So the review and swatches will be up on my channel extremely soon. Next, we have another set of lipsticks, and this one again is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Roxy set, and this one is their nude lip collection, and this is a matte collection. And the one I've applied is also from this collection. The one that I've applied is this Tokyo Matte, and this is the shade that I've applied, and these are the other two shades. These are very matte nude shades, and if you love nudes, then these are this is the set you should go for. Again, I will be uploading swatches very soon for you guys. Also guys, while I ordered these on sale, I did get a free gift as well. So they sent me this Makeup Revolutions, another palette. So they did send me a free palette, which is this one. This is a very beautiful, again, nude palette with a very nice shiny silver. So you can use it for a nude look, you can use it for office, and also it's a very beautiful palette. Again, really well pigmented. I'm just going to show you two shades. So you guys can see how well pigmented these shades are. Again, and also this one is, since it's a free gift, I'm excited to get any eye palette. I just love eye palettes. So yeah, I mean, this is my haul from Beauty Bay this year. I didn't go overboard because I already have a lot of makeup from last year which I haven't really exhausted or used much. I just wanted to buy a few things which I found on sale and I thought were more reasonable and affordable. So I thought, why not check these out, and that's why I bought these. And yeah, this is the haul, and if you guys like it, do leave me a comment, subscribe to our channel, press the bell button and show us love by liking our videos. Until next time.